Hey folks, good afternoon and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you, and this is not the best room to show you guys, but this is the only option right now. So today I'm going to show you guys how to really maintain the S912 Luctan or the S911 Foxx. So these RCs actually are not waterproof, so you would have to have some sort of precautions before you do anything. I'm going to show you guys how you wash them today. So stay tuned and thanks for tuning in RC Overdose. Alright, so first we're going to brush this thing down with water, avoiding the ESC area. Just slowly pour the water onto it, not too hard, just slowly. Make the surface wet. Now wet the brush up a little bit and brush all the dirt off. So now you folks can see the baby is clean. Now we're going to dry it up and apply WD-40 over all the moving parts, and I'll show you guys exactly how. Meanwhile, I'm going to start cleaning my another Luctan. It's cleaning, guys. It's dirt. So both the babies are clean now, and we're going to apply WD-40 on all the moving parts after it dries up. Now the best way to dry these things up is put them upside down, both of them. So they're slowly going to drain out. Got it. It is dried out. Alright guys, so time for some WD-40. We're going to apply it on all the moving parts. Let's see how. You can also take some WD-40 here and wipe it around the chassis. WD-40. So there you go. It's your nice and dry Luctan, ready to go out again and have some fun. Now last but not the least, I would suggest you apply some WD-40 here, just a little bit. There you go. Now what this does is, it prevents water from going in next time you go out. So when you wash it, when you just water this thing down, no water is going to get in your ESC, and it's going to be fine just forever. Not forever, but it's going to be fine for as long as it works. I've had this Luctan for about 1.5 years, and I've been doing these things to maintain my RC. And I hope you guys got some knowledge today. And thanks a lot for tuning in RC Overdose, and stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day guys. Peace. Stay fresh.